Beats.
Look, I'm a monster, nigga, I'm Frankenstein. If it's a shortage on the lean, then the drink is mine. I run up in your crib, no aim this time, and shoot up everything except your baby mom. No face, no trace, cold case, he a dead man. Bullets in his chopper make a nigga do a handstand. I should aim this bitch at your cantaloupe and leave no head, nigga, after the hammer smoke. Y'all hammer broke, begging for a meal, dog. Me, I'm on my grind and I'm begging for a deal, dog. And I'm on that Patron, I ain't never scared to shoot y'all. 15s in the back, kicking like football. These fuck niggas all little wannabes, but I'ma work hard and get my team where they wanna be. Niggas in the kitchen still stirring the rock, and I'm riding on swingers, still serving the block.
So I hear they want soul, yeah, I hear they want soul. I'ma give it to these bitches over everything I know, and with everything I show, I belong right here. I'm the motherfucking man, am I wrong right here? I'm killing them all, taking the game. I'm promising y'all that it won't be the same. From when I first started, the flow was retarded. I need no permission to murder these lames, like all the same. I swear I'm a veteran, better than anyone nigga that's stepping in, let them in, cause they're the headaches and I'm excedrin'. I'm getting so cold, yeah, I'm getting too cold and mature at my age. It's got me feeling too old. I'm a star to the dream, something like a king, and I don't ever need permission. I just win by any means, and then I keep it so smooth with the future so bright, and my fitted stays on cause the crown's too tight. And I do it how I say it, and I say it how I want to, chasing all the dreams cause that's the shit that I am gone to. And I'ma do this shit forever. Name a person that is better. No, you can't, so that's forever.
I'm in that mode now where I don't give a fuck. Hate aimed at haters, all you bitches duck. All you fakes fall, and all you hoes holler. I'm Big P, bitch, and I feel like starting drama. And it might be with your pops, or maybe with your daughter. Mine's so right, but now that shit stuck on slaughter. Ho, pay attention, bitch, I own you. Now go and pop that pussy like you supposed to. These niggas real fake, these niggas plastic. Nigga run up, have you stretched out like elastic. Big P here, Ace and J-Rock, running these streets, nigga, even running your block. Nigga, I'm the man, 50 grand, understand. I'm the star here, and you just a fan. But you see, that's the plan. We taking over rap, bitch, you can't do shit about it, so y'all better slow y'all roll quick.